Welcome to our series on using Sharp API with the ApyHub Marketplace. This video dives into the Related Job Positions Generator API. The workflow generates related job roles with relevant scores for a given title. It's perfect for job recommendations, enhancing job searches, career guidance, HR tools, and improving job matching, career transitions, and HR analytics. How does it work? Using an AI API typically involves two steps. 1. Submitting the AI job request. 2. Checking the job status and retrieving the response once the job is complete. ApyHub's API Playground lets you explore workflows and features before integration. The only required parameter is content. The output language defaults to English but can be customized. Use the max quantity parameter to limit the output. After sending a parsing request, you'll receive a job ID that can be used to fetch the processing results. For both submitting requests and retrieving results, you'll find ready-to-use code samples. Simply copy and paste them into your app, set the API token header parameter, and you're all set. The ApyHub dashboard provides all data exchange format examples to streamline API integration into your software. If you enjoy educational content like this about AI APIs, hit like and subscribe to stay updated on the new tutorials and training materials we release each month. Learn more about this AI workflow automation on the Sharp API page and explore other automation APIs on the ApyHub website. Links are in the description. Happy AI automation. SharpAPI.com